What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to add a Black Friday pop-up sale into your WordPress website for free and without coding, into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use internet on your site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, scroll down just a little bit and hover a mouse over plugins. And into the submenu, we're gonna click on add new plugin. Now review the upper right corner of your screen. Next to keyword, you're gonna be able to find a field called search plugins. Click and type Firebox, just like this. Pop-up builder, on page, load pop-up, exit pop-up, login pop-up, on click, sticky bar and add block Firebox. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. Now you're gonna be redirected to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of your present plugins, okay? Now we're gonna scroll down just a little bit and review once again the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard. Next to settings, you're gonna be able to find a new menu called Firebox. We're gonna click on it and you're gonna be redirected to the plugin dashboard, a place where you can see the information about your pop-ups, how many people view your pop-ups, clicks, conversions, and other important info. But we're gonna need to create a pop-up now. There is a button right here, new campaign, this blue big button, click on it. You can create a blank campaign and set the design that you want, but there is pre-built templates. We're gonna explore this. And if you scroll down, you're gonna be able to find this free one called Black Friday Sale. We're gonna click on it. You can preview. And if you review, if you like this design, there is a button into the upper right corner of your screen called Insert Template. Right here. Click on it. Now the plugin have created a pop-up and added on your site. If you review the upper right corner of your screen and hit the publish button once again and go to any page of your site, you're gonna be able to see a pop-up with the text, the image and a button directing to your shop. But how to customize this pop-up? First thing, we can change the text in the case that you want. We can change the button URL. For example, imagine that I would like that the button directs you to the Visualmodo WordPress website. You're gonna click into this pencil, enter the URL. You can make it open into a new tab or not, up to you. Hit the save button and hit the update button into the upper right corner of your screen, the upper top corner. Let's reload the page. Now, if I click into this button shop now, this head button, I'm gonna be redirected to the Visualmodo site. What else we can do? We can customize this text. We can change this image in the case that you want. We can change the color of the buttons in the case that you want. And if you scroll down, we have a couple of options to design our buttons. First, the pop-up size. It can be bigger on mobile, on tablet, on dashboard, on desktop, the width and the height. Now the campaign font size. We can increase the font size. We can increase paddings, margin. We can change text color, background color, in the case that you want. We can change the position. We can apply some shadows. We can change the closing button to show inside, outside, or hide the closing button. We can even upload a custom image to be our closing button image. Now, after doing all your changes, we can go to behavior. Here you can change the general position, the trigger point to make the button appear on hover, on click, on page ready, on while page loads. we have the display option. Right here we can change where you would like to display this button. For example, all page, mirror campaign, set conditions. So display when all of the conditions below are met. And right here you're gonna set the conditions that you need, okay? Or you can display in all pages, up to you, okay? This is your campaign. Actions, nothing much right here. And we can move to advanced to change, to apply some script, some CSS, to apply in test mode, prevent page scrolling in the case that you want, enable RTL. After doing all your changes, hit the update button and you are good to go with your button and your pop-up campaign ready for the Black Friday sale. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg. Our Enzu WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Our Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, or game designs. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, themes, and many more things to create the site that you need. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!